Hello students, good morning. Students, we are just progressing the final topics of this chapter of given in NCERT. So students, today's topic is taxonomic aids. What are taxonomic aids? Students, as the term aids is the term used for communication or advertisement. Like that, here in biology, there are some terms that are used in a wide sense to study about the various species of plants, animals, and other organisms with the preserved and conserved habitat. Yes, students, here the plants, animals, and other organisms are preserved or conserved under certain circumstances that is known as taxonomic aids. Students, there are some important taxonomic aids are as follows. The first one is the herbarium. As you all of you very well heard about herbarium. What is herbarium? Yes, students, it is a collection of dried, pressed specimen of plants that are collected inside a black sheet, or nowadays colorful paper sheets are available in the market, in which the records of the certain species of plants is preserved under this black sheet of papers, in which we deposit the plant specimen in dried, pressed, and preserved form. Students, not only we kept these specimens in preserved form, but also about the botanical name of the plants and many more related identified characteristics are also mentioned in such kind of record books. So, how we define herbarium? It is a storehouse or depository place where collection of identified and classified plant specimens are preserved in dried, pressed, and preserved form. So students, next to the herbarium, the next taxonomic act is botanical garden. What is a student botanical garden? As the name clear that it is a garden where thousands are the number of more and more number of plant species are natively kept in a surrounding area that is called botanical garden. Botanical gardens are the institutions that have scientifically planned living plants, collections of trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers of the different varieties are collected here. Some of the famous botanical gardens worldwide as well as in our country are, the first one is the Indian Botanical Garden that is established in Howrah, Kolkata. Next one is the National Botanical Garden Research Institute. Yes, students, it is in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh in India. In Uttar Pradesh, the capital city, Lucknow, has the National Botanical Garden Research Institute, and it is famous for its more and more number of species that are natively found in our country. Next to the National Botanical Garden Research Institute, the next one is the Kew. Kew, it is established in England at a very large area, and it is also world famous botanical garden. Now students, the next will be museum. What is museum? Here we are going to first of all know about what is the term museum and from where it is taken. The term museum is derived from the Greek word moschin. What students? Moschin. That means the temple of the goddesses of art and science. Yes students, Moschin is the temple of goddesses of arts and science. So, museum is an institute in which collection of preserved plants, animals are kept for studies and references. Some of the museums in our country as well as worldwide are as follows. The National Museum of Natural History, it is established in Delhi, the capital city of our country. Next one is the Maharaja Sawai Man Singh Museum. Yes students, the National Museum of Natural History, it is just closer to the Red Fort where our president, the residential house is situated. Next one is the Maharaja Sawai Man Singh Museum. Yes student, Maharaja Sawai Man Singh belongs to the Pink City, Jaipur. That's why after his name, this botanical, or you can say that museum is named after him, Maharaja Sawai Man Singh Museum. In this museum, the plant as well as animal, both preserved species are kept in a very large amount. Next one is the Indian Museum. Indian Museum situated in Kolkata, and last one is the Natural History Museum. It is in London. So student, just you can take the screenshot of this lecture. Next one is the students, zoological parks. What are zoological parks? As the name clear that these are the commonly known as zoos. Zoo, what is zoo? A zoo is a naturally preserved or conserved, or you can say that bioreserve area where the different varieties of animals are kept in their natural habitat. So students, the zoos are zoological gardens where animals are kept in habitat close to their habit, nature and behavior. So student, these are the natural and protected areas in which the living wild animals are conserved in natural condition. There are the list of some famous zoos are Nawab Wajid Ali Shah Zoo, that is situated in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. National Zoological Park in New Delhi. Early the name of this location is Delhi. Nehru Zoological Park in Hyderabad. Gandhi Zoological Park in Gwalior. These are the important and not only famous in India but world famous zoological parks. Students, in India alone 250 to 300 national parks have been conserved as a biosphere reserve. Some are in situ conservation and some are in ex situ conserved and highly protected areas. No kind of interference can be accompanied by their local peoples in such protected or prohibited areas, and it means no movement of the local peoples can be found in these prohibited areas. Next one, student, key. What is key? The term key was first used by Wade. It is a device. Yes, student, it is a device of diagnostic. It means to know alternate characters which provides information to identify plants and animals on the basis of their nature and habitat. And students, on this basis, most of the keys are based on two characters. That's why they are also called couplet keys. So students, this chapter, it means chapter number 1 of your biology is completed with the end of this progressing topic, and I hope you all of you understood the chapter very well. The related notes and PDFs will be sent to your group, and if any kind of question or queries, then you can ask me. Thanks students for joining today's lecture.